Hi everyone, this is physical NB007 product. Now let's see how to use it. Step 1. Load the device with the battery and the SIM card. Step 2. Long press the power button. Quickly start the device. The system and the signal light is on. Step 3. Connect to mobile app via Bluetooth. It supports both iOS and Android system. Step 4. Now we can view the signal strength. Export the data on the phone as a report and forward to other app or email. This is how our new product NB007 is used. Simple and easy to operate. Thank you.